What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons, episode 181. Let's look at the coolest projects that you guys have been building. First up, we have Alan Z's basketball accessories. Now, the thing that caught my eye first off, right off the bat, was the fact that the basketball is here and then the text is over here to the right. He didn't put the text on the center so that the basketball accessories text was actually overlaying the basketball. He evened out the visual appearance of the site. There's a big heavy basketball here and big heavy text. That's important. You want to look at the image that you're using and position the text and the products and all of that accordingly. Awesome job, Alan, just on that. And all of the gear is awesome. I can buy some basketball shoes, and that's a lot of green. And in case you guys forgot, I was a basketball player in high school. Here's some dope footage.
Bang! Oh, what a shot from
Croft! Awesome job, Alan. Incredible website. Next up, we have Hari P's Zeta Corporation. Look how incredible this site looks. Nice, I love the background attachment fixed on those. We've got some parallax scrolling. Apparently, the person I'm gonna talk to on a phone only has a chin. They don't have this part of their face. I would say move that image down a little bit. This website looks awesome. Look at this incredible footer. Can I actually get in touch with you? There's a contact page. It's not finished, but that's awesome. Antibody panels, okay, so this is a work in progress, but just the amount of work that has already gone into this, Hari, this is awesome. Are you the company that's gonna cure every disease in the world? I think so. This is awesome. Here we have Devagostia's incredible Beyblade website. Now, the amount of work that Devagostia put into this is amazing. So first off the bat, I would say change the color of this text up here. It's very hard to read because you have black text on top of a black Beyblade, but I'm getting distracted here. Look at this. If we click on Beyblades, there's a page all about Beyblades and stadiums and launchers. There is so much information on Beyblades here. It is blowing my mind. And here's another person trying to sell me something. I have no money, guys. Don't try to sell me anything, but this is awesome, super good. I would just say on your home page, you have the header and a nav bar. Put something else down there in that white space. Put some links to other things or a review of Beyblades or something like that, just so that it fills out the page. But awesome, awesome job. Now I want to buy Beyblades, or could I be a Beyblade? And that's it for the Best of Hackingtons, guys. Go out there, build amazing stuff, and don't forget to submit to the competition. They're ending soon.